Hey guys, welcome back to the Team Reid shop. I know it's been a while since I've been able to be out here and actually do some work, but just wanted to run a small video by you guys, see what you guys think, and let you know what we're up to. This whole being broken, half broken, or whatever, all this shit broke. I'm starting to feel better now. It's been the last couple of days. It's been starting to get better. I'm on a different med now, so my muscles are moving a little bit better. I still got to walk around with this stupid cast on, which totally takes away any function I have with my thumb. But it is what it is. I got a lot of support from my family and my friends, so I'm very excited. So I just wanted to show you around the shop. We've been doing some cleaning lately. Everybody knows. Here, let's take a look. Everybody knows that we got the hoist put in. So let's take a little stroll around here. I've got it up here because I got a few things I want to do. Got the all-important tasty beverage. Can't go without. I live on Mountain Dew. My ladder that helps me get up there is actually a perfect size for as high as the hoist can go. That ladder is perfect. So what we're starting to do, we'll go back here and we'll just kind of run through what we're doing. Got my little wheelie chair here. So I did have Dirksen Motorsports. I don't know if it's hard to see. They did put in the Adam Houghton ALH, or ALH, yeah, ALH I think it is, HL. Adam Houghton's torque boxes. Sorry if I got that wrong, buddy. I apologize. It's in right now. It's looking a little rough back here. Of course, this car spent a lot of time on a gravel road. So we got all this all rotted to shit. So what I've decided to do is I've got that blue car outside that I'm chopping up for parts, which is surprisingly clean underneath. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably cut everything off that car that I need for this car, which is probably going to be the back, almost the back wheel wells with the back part. I'm also going to take the rocker panels. I'm going to cut them right off that car because they're in awesome shape and mine are in pretty bad shape. I'll see what else needs. I think I have a small little rod up there in the front. I can chop it out of that car and put it in here. So why not, right? It's a parts car. Parts are selling off it pretty good, so I'm excited about that. Anyways, so today's project is one, I need to get my dump valve on, which just trying to figure out where I want to put that thing. We've started to take out, here's my little chair that I sit on, so I started to pull it out. I think we're going to mount the transmission cooler right here. But I think that's a pretty good spot for it. I started to undo the stuff that needs to be done to get the transmission out of there. Yes, before everyone gets excited, I have friends coming over that are gonna do all the heavy stuff. So the reason we're taking the transmission out is I have to put in this TCI SFI flex plate. I am literally still rocking the I guess it's a 6 liter or 4.8 liter one that I've had in the car since I built it. So, and the holes that are in the flex plate are starting to get oblonged. So we're just going to take it out of there. It's got a brand new PTC converter in it. Another thing we are changing is we're getting rid of that stock truck dampener. And what I picked up was, I've heard a lot of really good reviews about this thing. It's the Summit 25% underdrive flex plate. And the thing I like the most about it is it has got timing marks on it. So we can actually check the timing So I'm very excited about that. That's what I got going on right now. I was going through the blue car and I found a couple of jewels. Like I found some lights. Holy cow, like these things are clean. Like look at that headlight, unbelievable. So the Mistress will have some nice, fresh, clean lights. I wish I had the other one. I'm not sure where it is. It could be deep in that car. I haven't really gotten through it. I mean, it's still on the trailer, so it's hard to get inside. I did find all 4 of the 16-inch pony wheel rims, or the center caps for the rims. So that's pretty cool. I mean, I'm sure some Mustang guys would be interested in a set of 16-inch, really good shape, no curb rash pony wheels. So yeah, that's what we got going on today. Just a little bit of this and that, and then I'm hoping once I'm 100% healed, I'll get on this, because this is going to require me to lay on my back and be like a contortionist. I've got to rewire the whole darn thing. I currently have started it already. I just got to finish. I have all brand new LED headlights for it. So still trying to make room. What I'm going to do is I think I'm going to put a lean-to outside so that I can actually store like totes of parts. I got totes of parts there. I got fucking totes of parts here. Like, it's just I don't have enough room for all this stuff. So I'm going to make a lean-to out there, put stuff out there, and hopefully that fixes that issue. But let me know what you think, and I'm going to keep doing video updates on the Mistress, because I'm very excited. So I'm pumped and ready to go. Hopefully this COVID shit goes away soon so that we can get into racing. If none of the tracks open, well, I mean, my girl, she has no problem getting down on the street. So if that's the case, that's what we'll do. Anyways, all right, we'll see you later, and talk to you soon. Don't forget, hit that fucking subscribe button, smash that little bell for notifications, and the like button if you don't mind. Thanks. Talk to you soon.